In the end, we turned out okay. So,
but well, of course, if you're in charge of such a large group, you always say, well, where are they?
The leading question.
What are they
Where are
up
they?
to?
And the traveling was extensive,
Yes.
and it was part of the experience.
Yes.
I was
Right.
for it. Of course, you saw Europe, a great deal of it.
oh yeah.
And the energy, oh my goodness, the energy. Traveling on the train by night, going sightseeing during the day,
Yes.
and take the train by night again, and hopefully coming back to Innsbruck.
And most of us made it back.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, we had our envelopes to collect.
Yeah.
That's right.
I don't have those.
we had to
envelopes
eat.
here, there's nothing in
Well, I think of the envelopes.
it. Well, that was a kind of a tricky device on my side, because I say, well, on Monday evening, if I put the envelope out, then I know they're there.
Right.
And it also gave me the assurance that on Monday evening everybody is back.
Yeah.
Yep.
Right.
And everybody was back.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, we had no accidents. We had actually no problem, because the first year we had
Yeah.
fatality,
Yeah.
traffic
Right.
fatality. Yeah, that was very serious. So I was aware now. Let's get this done and safe. Yeah, be safe.
Plus,
That-
the
that's-
real reason was the Wiener Schnitzel at Weiss's Kreuz. We hadn't had a good meal in probably days.
Yeah.
So we
the
wanted to be
Weiss's
sure.
Yeah, that was a good place.
And,
Und das goldene
the
Dackel.
Weiss's Kreuz was
Yeah.
a good place. Yeah,
That was a
yeah,
great
yeah.
place.
In the
Stiftskauer was good
center of
too.
the Altstadt.
Yeah.
In the center of the Altstadt.
What
Yeah,
was the other place?
Golden
Stiftskauer.
Stockel.
yeah, Stiftskeller. Yeah,
Stiftskeller, which was
No,
right around the corner.
Stiftskauer.
Yeah.
Stiftskauer.
Yeah.
Stiftskeller. Well, it's still there. The
Yeah.
Weiss's Kreuz is still there, and the
Is
Altstadt.
Stiftskauer still there?
Altstadt. Hmm?
Is Stiftskeller still there?
Oh yeah, it's still there. Yeah. No,
Herr Ober is still working there.
the Altstadt is almost permanent.
Okay.
Yeah, the Altstadt doesn't change very much. No.
We had a, I think a philosophy course that we took in, right around the corner from the.
Yeah, right to the arch.
Yeah.
Right
Yes.
to the arch, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Philosophy.
Yeah, philosophy, yeah. For electricität.
Yeah.
The philosophy class was at the university.
Yeah.
That was a European economics course that we took down there.
Yeah.
Downtown.
I
Van
can't
Cooper.
remember the guy's name. He was an Austrian guy who taught that course.
Yeah, the
Oh,
guy
I know.
didn't know how the grading system worked in the
Oh,
United
that's
States.
right.
Remember we
That
took
was
the
him.
test? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And economics. That
Yeah, it
was
was a year.
Mikhail.
Yeah, it was.
Mikhail.
Yeah, he was kind of a big guy. I remember.
No, no.
Arnold
Philosophy
Schwarzenegger.
guy was a
Philosophy.
big guy.
He looked like Arnold.
Yeah, he looked like I thought it was philosophy we took, but anyways,
We did.
I remember
We
him.
took both of
Both.
those.
I know, but I know. Okay. My point is that I remember seeing this guy. He had his child in a backpack.
Yes.
And
Oh,
he
really?
was skiing.
Oh, my
And he
goodness.
just came down, and we were
Yeah.
skiing. You know. On
Oh, yeah.
Beaver Bear or
Avatar
something.
was.
Yeah, and he came down, and he just kind of said,
What is that?
no, he just kind of looked at us. There were a bunch of us there who looked at us. So,
Cooper.
bye.
That's
he just took off.
So,
forgot
Cooper
that.
Light Electricität.
Yes.
Van Cooper
But
Elektricität
he was a big,
leiten
strong
kann. Dann
guy.
ist es möglich, dass Cooper Elektrizität leiten kann.
Yeah.
Well, you may know that they changed the Hungerburgbahn.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Yeah, the Hungerburgbahn was if you came down from.
From where you lived to where we
yes,
lived.
you're just
From
across the
Deutsche
bridge,
Seite.
and there was the Hungerburgbahn.
Right.
yeah,
Right.
yeah.
No, they stopped that and put the. You must imagine, they stopped the Valley station near the Landestheater,
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
right in the near the Hofburg.
Yeah.
Okay, right,
Wow.
right.
So next to the Hofburg, they have now the station to go up to the Hungerburg,
Wow.
and so it goes.
Over the river then, huh?
What it is, the first part through the Hofgarten, it goes underground.
Okay.
It goes underground. And
Wow.
then of course.
That was no small
They
task.
did this just because they wanted to be closer to the Stadtmitte?
That's what. No, they wanted to be close to the tourists. So if the tourists are in the Altstadt, yeah, then they just walk over there
Right.
and
Okay.
then go up and they had the new bridge across the Inn River.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That little footbridge. Is this another
Well,
footbridge?
now for the a new bridge for the Hungerburg Bahn.
Ah,
Okay.
Yeah, and then it goes again underground until it comes up to the what is called the Alpen Zoo,
Yes.
Yeah.
where
Right,
all
oh, yeah.
those animals are, yes. And then up to the Hungerburg and up to the Seegrube.
That's where Mike Scala, he lived up
Yes.
near the zoo and
Yeah.
with, with Mose and Moskov.
Yeah, and the Seegrube, of course, then you go off the Havlika. My goodness, on my 50th birthday, which was 35 years ago, I'm 85 now, I took a test of courage. I say, you are 50 years of age, now you have to do something. And I went, in February, I went up to not only the Seegrube, but to the Havlika.
There you go.
Yeah.
Right out on the top.
Wow.
I say, I have to ski that down. That's just the ski with me. So I was up there, and it was a little bit frosty.
Yes.
So the slope and the trail was a little bit icy, just a little bit. But I took it anyway. But on the second curve, or the second step there, I just slipped. Now, on that verticular, it's not falling just on the ground.
No.
No.
You
Yes.
stumble down to several hundred yards.
Yeah.
And fortunately, I went through I missed the rock. Yeah? I just came through, and nothing happened. A little scratches here and there, and then I came home, and Aida asked me, "Was ist los?"
Yeah. Yeah.
Garn Hicks.
What
Yeah.
happened? Well, nothing. But I never did it again.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
But you got down.
Yeah.
That's right.
I did it again, yeah. But the Seegrube, yes, Seegrube is beautiful, yeah. They have this all done now and finished. Well, it's a beautiful city.
Yes,
Yep.
it is.
It's a beautiful city. It's just and the latest thing there is that in winter now it has become the attraction of Russian tourists. They
Really?
come from Moscow
Right.
and from Petersburg
Right.
because for skiing, and they have the flight connection.
Yeah.
The land in Innsbruck is a little air to that. So the Russians have discovered that skiing in the Tyrol is a good place.
Yeah.
And then you also, the other thing was that